Alrighty, so we are going to look at reviewing two things. The first one, we're going to do angles, and this is going to be just very quick. But here, it's giving you 4 choices, but I'm only giving you 3 practice problems. But are they acute, obtuse, right, or straight angles? And please remember that acute is less than 90 degrees. Right angle is exactly 90 degrees with a little box to show you that it is 90 degrees. And obtuse is more than 90 degrees, but less than 180. Because if it's past 180, it's called a reflex angle. And then straight angles are exactly 180. So there's only 3 of these. So based on those categories, can you label those 3 angles, 1, 2, and 3? And then we're going to area of a rectangle, but I've also added here perimeter. And let's just go over this one too. If you remember, area is like the space that a shape takes up. That would be the area. And that would be in square units. To figure that out here, you just multiply for rectangles. So 3 times 7. The area of this shape would be 35 inches squared, because 5 times 7 is 35. Perimeter, though, is the distance around a shape. So perimeter for this shape is going to look like 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7. So you could do that just like I just did. You could add them all up, and that would be, let's see, 10 and 14. The perimeter of the shape is going to be 24 inches. There's other ways to do it though. So for example, this one here, you have 3, 6, so this is also going to be 6 and 3. I could just add those together and get 9 and multiply by 2, and that's going to give me 18 is the perimeter of this one, and that's in feet. Or over here I have 18 and 4. So I could actually do 18 times 2 and 4 times 2, and then I could add those together, and the perimeter of this one is going to be 44. What is this? YD is yards. 44 yards. So the rest of those I think you can figure out on your own. I did put one challenge in here for the area is going to be a challenge, 35 and 49. And if you are having trouble with the area of that, use the window method. So I can break 35 into 30 and 5, and I'm going to break 49 into 40 and 9. And now I multiply each of those sections. So 40 times 30 is that much. And then 40 times 5 is going to be that much. And then here, do 30 times 9 goes in there, 9 times 5 goes there. Then add them all up, and that will be the area for this one. For perimeter, you can just do what we did before, and then add those together, and that will be the perimeter of that shape. Okay? Thank you, and goodbye.
Bye. Bye.